Using the So Mini on your shoulders can feel really nice, especially when you're doing a shoulder workout and you're trying to get those shoulders to pop and even just get more out of your shoulders when you're doing your workout. Or if you just have some tired, achy shoulders from the stuff that you're doing during the day. This can be really helpful. You can always add some of the salve, the recovery cream, or even the muscle freeze to really help with that too if you're having any type of soreness up in here. But using the Mini during your workout can feel really good, get some nice blood flow, and help you with being able to do some more sets, more reps, which then can also help with developing your shoulder. So, and clearing up the lines so then it can pop a little bit better so you can see those individual muscles if you're looking to have a better teardrop shoulder. And also if you're just trying to have recovery from your shoulders. So starting this before, during, and after your workout will help with the recovery so that you can come back. Your shoulders won't be as tired, won't be as sore, so then you can be able to do more movements, more exercises, and get your shoulder feeling good. Now, a couple different ways I like to do it is 2 fingers here, and then I'm just trying to find those valleys that I'm trying to clean up and get that to then open up and pop more. Okay, this can be very helpful. And then also working the whole belly of the muscle and just kind of working around, just doing circles. And then using the side here to do some more of a grasping technique or even the edge here to drive some more blood flow to this area. Try this in your next shoulder workout. Do this before, during, and after to help with working your muscles more and helping with recovery.